Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of English first or class third. Hope you all are doing good at your home. Students, today in this video, I am going to give you lesson number 18 and 19. So, not further delay, take out your book and open lesson number 18. Here, lesson number 18 is the interjection. First of all, what is the definition of interjection? An interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feeling. इंटरजेक्शन एक वर्ड है जो सडन फीलिंग को एक्सप्रेस करता है. Like here you can see the examples. Hurrah, I have passed in the examination. Second, alas, he has died. Bravo, you have done well. Has she gone? Hush, don't make a noise. So in these sentence words hurrah, also bravo, hush are interjection. So these are sudden words, sudden expression we can say. And here interjection may express the following word through: happiness, hurrah; sorrow as alas; wonder as oh; approval as bravo. Okay, now come on exercises of this chapter. Exercise A, pick out the interjection in the following sentences and write them in the blanks. First sentence is hurrah, our team has won. So here interjection is hurrah, you have to write here. Second, hush, the baby is sleeping. Hush you have to write here. Third, bravo, well played. Here you have to write bravo. Fourth, hello, is there anybody here? Hello, here you have to write. Fifth, oh, what a beautiful rose. So here oh you have to write. And then alas, she is sick. Alas, you have to write. Okay, so in this way you have to complete this exercise. Now come on, next exercise you have to do yourself. It is your homework. Look at each scene below, write an interjection in each speech bubble. Okay, so this chapter is over. Now come on, lesson number 19. Here your lesson number 19, punctuation mark. First of all, what is the meaning of punctuation? Punctuation means the mark used in writing that divides sentences and phrases. Punctuation means वो मार्क हैं जो हम यूज़ करते हैं किसी भी सेंटेंस या फ्रेजेस को डिवाइड करने के लिए. We use these marks in sentence to make the meaning clear. Example, here you can see these are punctuation mark, full stop in this way, comma in this way, question mark here, then exclamation mark, then apostrophe here. Okay, so first I will explain you full stop. A sentence always begin with a capital letter and with a full stop. Okay, second, comma, the comma is used to show a little pause. It is used in this way. You can see he lost health, wealth, money. Here you can see comma we are using. Next, we usually note here, you see, we usually use the word and in the place of comma before the last word in the series or list. Here you can see and we are using the separate each pair of word joined by and, as man and woman, comma, rich and poor, comma, wise and foolish. Okay, now come on next. Here question mark. The question mark is used after a direct question. When we ask any question, after that we put a question mark. When will the school reopen? Where are you going? Question mark. Okay, then exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used at the end of the words that show joy, sorrow or wonder. These words are called interjections. So interjection अभी आपको मैंने पढ़ाया interjection chapter. So joy, sorrow and wonder are the interjection words. Here we put interjection words. Here we put interjection like hurrah, alas and then apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to show position. There is Amit's book, position, and then to form the plural of the letters and figures, add 2 7s and 6 4s. Okay, and here we write the short form don't, do not, don't, cannot, can't, let us, let's, it is, it's. So in this way we can write all these sentences. Now come on exercise of this chapter. The first exercise is rewrite the following sentence by putting capital letters and full stop. Here you can see I have written India, small letter is given, first letter should be capital. So here India, and the last, at last you have to put full stop. Other words same as written in the question, you have to write in the answer. First letter of the sentence should be capital. Here, she was late for school, as capital. The sun rises in the east, T capital. The T capital. At the last you have to put full stop. We played football yesterday, V capital. W capital. My skirt is dirty, M capital. My M capital. His shirt is very expensive. You have to write H capital of his. Okay, now come on next. Monica is my best friend. Same as you have to write all these sentences. First letter should be capital. Okay, now next. Rewrite the following sentence by putting capital letters, commas and full stop. Students, you have to do it carefully. You can take a screenshot to write all these. Okay, the first is, he wrote the letter neatly, quickly and legibly. Here he wrote the letter neatly, quickly, comma you have to put here. Then India, China, Pakistan, every city first letter you have to make capital and put comma between them. And Nepal participate in the conference. At the last you have to put full stop. And student study English, mathematics, science and social studies in high school. So same as you have to write here, you have to put commas between the subjects. Okay, the next, we should include fruit, vegetables, milk and pulses in our diet. So here we should include fruit, vegetable, milk and pulses in our diet, but you have to put commas between the vegetables name, and here you have to write and. Okay, now fifth one, they visited New Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. So they visited New Delhi because city name is a pronoun, and हमेशा हम pronoun को capitals में लिखते हैं. Capital letter, first letter capital होता है. So here New Delhi, Agra and Jaipur का first letter आपको capital लिखना है. Okay, now come on next exercise. Rewrite the following questions by putting capital letters and question mark. So what is your name? What W capital, and at the last you have to put question mark. When did she come? Yesterday. When, W capital, and at last you have to put question mark. Why do you not like eggs? Why do you not like eggs? At the last you have to put question mark. Where have they gone? Where have they gone? Where have they gone? At the last question mark, and where का W आपको capital बनाना है. How are you? How are you? H capital, and at last you have to put question mark. Now next page. Rewrite the following sentences by using capital letters, exclamations mark and the full stop or question mark. So here, hurrah, we have passed. Hurrah, exclamatory word. So here exclamation mark is here. Then we, W capital, have passed. Last, they have died. So students, you can take a screenshot to write all this. In this way you have to write. There is no overwrite, and you have to write it clearly. Okay, don't forget to put full stop and question mark at the last where it is needed. The next, hello, what is going on here? Hello, you have to put question mark, what is going on here, and the last question mark. This coffee is good. This coffee is good, and this, the T capital. Hush, you will wake up the children. Hush, U capital, Y capital of the U, and we will wake up the children. Here full stop. Okay, now next, this one. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letters and apostrophe. Let us go to the zoo, as I already explained you in the chapter. Let us, if there will be letters, the short form is let's. Okay, apostrophe S you have to write here. Do not make a noise. Don't make a noise. It is not correct. It's not correct. Add 4 2s and 8 7s. Add 4 2s. You have to write number, and here you have to put apostrophe and 8 7s. Okay, here you can see. At the last you have to put full stop. I cannot lift this box. So here, I can't lift this box. Okay, so student, it is sufficient for today. I will meet you in my next video. So today's homework, you have to write all these exercises today.